Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If you're just visiting, subscribe for some more. Like and comment. We're starting out with 1-inch diameter aluminum round stock. It's around 5 or 6 inches long. Should be good for this project. Just gonna start out by facing it. End's a little rough, so square it up. Center drilling this end for support for knurling later, and also be drilling a hole for threads. Right here I'm just cleaning out the outside for a shinier knurl. There's no real specific diameter on it, but more just to clean it up. Took a couple passes here. It's getting a little bit gummy at the tailstock end. I tried a different cutter, but didn't seem to make a difference. It ended up getting filed and sanded off later anyways. Here I'm just putting the knurling tool on. Set my feed rights, make sure they're right. Here at the beginning of the knurl, it didn't knurl super well till like halfway, and then it got a real nice knurl. Not sure what happened at the beginning. I ended up just turning down the diameter a little bit on the starting, but I think it ended up looking better in the end anyways. Again, no specific diameter here. Here I'm just filing it up to get those rough marks out of there. Took a bit of filing, kind of gouged it deep in some spots for some reason. Sanding it. I did try the different cutting tool too and some different feed rates. Didn't seem to make a difference. I don't know if it's just something in the material, but after some sanding here, it turned out well anyways, so I was happy. Here in the other end, I'm just going to turn down this rough part again. It's going to be a little bit shorter with a step down. We're going to end up drilling a hole in the end of it for a lanyard. Just facing this and cleaning it up as well. A little bit of filing and sanding. So we're drilling a hole for an M6 by 1 tap. I believe the tap drill size is 30 seconds. We'd have to check. Drilled about an inch deep here. Doesn't really need too many threads. Quick little chamfer to help start the tap and clean it up. Again, this is an M6 by 1, but any thread sibling will work as long as you got a bolt to fit it. Here I'm just going to polish a little bit more. It's pretty good, but I'm trying to see if I can get it a little shinier. Some Scotch-Brite, and then I got a kind of like a buffing block almost. Helps to polish it up some. Some more high grit sandpaper. This is some red rouge, and then I kind of just wiped it in with a piece of shop towel, like polish it up a little bit. Get some brake clean on it, just get rid of the residue. That's pretty much it for the lathe work. I think it turned out pretty well. Now I'm just drilling that hole in the end. You can put a key ring or lanyard or whatever in it. This is maybe like a 3/16 drill, but nothing too big, but enough space to get something through it. So this is a mount from a GoPro. I'm just cutting the end off it because it's not needed. Sanding it up, so smooth it up, flatten it, take off the rough edges. So now I'm just going to drill a hole right through it. I'm using an M6 bolt, so something a little bit bigger than a 6mm. And then a little bit of a chamfer on it and smooth it up. So you can see how that is going to bolt to the top now. So I got my bolt here, just thread it in. Tightens up well, looks great. This is the handle all done. Fits the GoPro great. You can lean it forward and backward, no problem. Fits the hand nice, it's comfortable, and knurling. Like, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching.